Oh fuck, this is not good.
I'm getting the suntan.
I have seen so much eruptions in 23 years that even if I die tomorrow, I don't care.
I fell in love with volcanoes when I was 7 years old. It was really a discovery for me.
I fell in love without seeing active volcanoes.
Katja and Maurice Kraft. They were famous for capturing incredible images of volcanoes.
At the time, a TV camera in the village records this scene. Maurice, Katja, and 41 others are dead.
Had been working for 5 years by that time on this volcano. We thought we understood Galeras.
That's the cursed lava lake that's sucked up my money for 15 years. I want to get to the lip. My original lip's been covered in debris. I'm going to another one close by. A few minutes.
Am I close enough to the edge, Brad? I can't go any closer. What does it look like?
Nothing on Earth. It's like looking into the sun. It's kind of cool.
Well, if you're looking for extreme locations, it doesn't get much better than an erupting volcano. Lava lake itself, just way too hot for anything to happen. But
it's a glimpse into the center of the Earth. It's like listening to the heartbeat of the planet, the physiological effects of being inside the volcano.